Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I tell you what, the memories is coming left and right. I remember when my dad went to work. Dad went to work and everything, you know. My stepmother used to tell me to go upstairs and take a nap. So I go upstairs and take a nap after we finish eating or whatever. I goes upstairs. She wait until I got deep into sleep. She had some handcuffs. Yeah, she handcuffed me to my own bed. I didn't know until I woke up. I'm in the room hollering and screaming, hollering and screaming. She done left. She done went wherever she had to go. But she finally, the time she got home, she made it home before my dad came home. I would never forget those days. I would never forget. My stepmother was hateful. She was very hateful. She didn't like me because I wasn't hers. She couldn't have no kids. But you know what, stepmother? I forgive you. I forgave her before she died. I forgave her. You know, I had to leave from another state to go all the way to Philadelphia to do what I had to do. But stepmother, I forgive you. You was mean to me, but I helped take care of you. But all said and done, stepmother, I came out good. Look at me today. I came out good. I could have been anything. All the hell I've been through, what you put me through, running up and down the street, kids teasing me, being shot at, running down the street with a baby. You know, kids used to tease me. You better run. You better hide. She got a baseball bat. She got something. I remember running in the houses, people's houses, just running in the door. You know, I don't even know the people, just running in the house, hide. You know, I done been through hell and hot water. You hear me? I've been through so much stuff that I should be about crazy about now, but I'm not. You know, like I said, I came out good. But yeah, back to talking about being chained to the bed. Yes, I have been chained to the bed. I've been tortured by dogs. But I forgive you, stepmother. You know, I've been locked in closets. But I forgive you. I done been beat with horse whips. Because yes, my dad used to work at the Liberty Bell racetrack. She didn't like me because I wasn't hers. But I forgive you, stepmother. You know, and it goes on and on. She tortured me because I wasn't hers. But all said and done, I forgive you. I forgave you before you closed your eyes. I forgave you. Evil stepmother, I forgave you. Peace out.